Welcome back to Daily AI News at Let's Data Science. It's 2026-07-24. Today, we're diving into some pivotal developments from the future of machine intelligence to major product launches. Let's get to it. Our top story is AMD's major push into rack-scale AI infrastructure. At its Advancing AI 2026 event in San Francisco, AMD unveiled the Helios rack-scale AI system alongside its MI400 series accelerators and 6th generation EPYC Venice CPUs. Helios combines 72 Instinct MI455X GPUs with 18 EPYC Venice processors, Pensando networking, and the ROSM software stack into a single integrated platform designed for large-scale AI deployments. According to Reuters, AMD says Helios is already in full production, with shipments expected near the end of the third quarter. Reuters also reports that OpenAI plans to begin using Helios racks later this year, based on comments made during the event. AMD positioned Helios as its first rack-scale AI solution and said it is intended for deployment at gigawatt scale by leading AI companies. AMD also made ambitious market projections, estimating that the total compute market could reach roughly $2 trillion by 2030, with AI accelerators accounting for about $1.4 trillion of that opportunity. Those figures are AMD's own estimates rather than independent forecasts, but they reinforce an important trend. AI infrastructure is increasingly evaluated as complete systems that combine CPUs, GPUs, networking, memory, and software rather than as standalone accelerator products. AMD also presented performance claims comparing Helios with competing NVIDIA systems, but those claims have not yet been independently verified. For practitioners, production deployments, workload level benchmarks, power efficiency, and software compatibility will ultimately matter more than peak specification numbers. AMD also extended its long-term server roadmap, offering one of the clearest public views yet into its CPU strategy through the end of the decade. CEO Lisa Su confirmed that the Zen 7-based EPYC Florence family is planned for 2028, followed by the Zen 8-based EPYC Ravenna family in 2030. Florence is expected to introduce ACE AI compute extensions, next-generation process technology, and support for newer memory technologies including MRDIMM and LPDDR. Reports also indicate Zen 7 and Zen 7C variants spanning the SP7 and SP8 server platforms. AMD has not disclosed detailed specifications such as core counts or manufacturing nodes for Ravenna, but the roadmap signals continued investment in AI-capable server CPUs alongside future rack-scale systems. For enterprise infrastructure teams, this longer planning horizon helps guide platform decisions, while also highlighting the importance of validating compiler support, inference runtimes, and memory behavior before adopting new CPU instruction extensions in production. Our next top story comes from cybersecurity, where CodeGate 2026 showcased an autonomous AI security agent alongside elite human hackers. The AI system, developed jointly by the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, or KAIST, and the CodeGate Security Forum, participated in the finals in Seoul by attempting the same capture the flag challenges faced by human competitors. The competition attracted 3,333 preliminary entrants from 88 countries. Japan's Bunkyo Westerns won the general division, while South Korea's Kim Jun-won won the junior competition. What's notable is not that AI defeated human experts. Public reports did not disclose the AI agent's score, ranking, completion rate, or level of human supervision, so the event should not be interpreted as evidence that machines outperformed experienced security professionals. Instead, the significance lies in demonstrating that autonomous agents can participate in realistic security workflows. As these systems become more capable of exploring unfamiliar software, testing hypotheses, and identifying vulnerabilities, organizations will increasingly need clear controls governing where agents can operate, how their actions are logged, and when human approval is required. Future competitions will become substantially more informative if organizers publish detailed performance metrics and reproducible comparisons. Our final top story focuses on international AI policy. Digital and AI ministers from the 21-member Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Forum issued the Chengdu Statement, endorsing open-source AI development while pairing that support with explicit commitments to security, data protection, and intellectual property rights. The agreement covers 5 broad areas: including trusted digital environments and investment in open source digital ecosystems. According to CNBC, this is the first ministerial level APEC statement to include cooperation on open source. The forum includes both the United States and China, making the shared language particularly notable despite differing national AI strategies. The statement does not specify implementation mechanisms, but it reflects a growing policy direction in which governments seek to encourage open AI ecosystems without separating openness from governance requirements. For organizations deploying open weight models, issues such as model provenance, vulnerability management, evaluation procedures, and deployment controls are likely to become increasingly important alongside technical performance. Now, for a few other key updates in our lightning round. Elon Musk said in an interview with The Economist that competition among OpenAI, Anthropic, and xAI has accelerated frontier AI development beyond any single founder's ability to slow it. He proposed regular safety discussions among leading AI labs and suggested that competitors should have opportunities to review major frontier models before release, with government intervention if significant concerns remain unresolved. The interview outlined the idea, but did not provide a review protocol, disclosure framework, or commitments from other companies. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell more than 3% during Friday morning trading as technology shares came under pressure amid renewed concerns over AI infrastructure spending. Reports linked the move partly to Alphabet's overnight decline after higher spending plans. Advantest, Tokyo Electron, SoftBank Group, and Kioxia were among the notable decliners. These were intraday figures rather than closing prices, but they illustrate how closely investors are watching the balance between AI capital expenditure and financial returns. Researchers from Nagoya University and Kyushu University reported a machine learning guided workflow that screened more than 19,000 candidate molecules to identify two boron free blue OLED emitters, CGPAH1 and CZEP-PAH2. According to the published results, CZPAH2 achieved a maximum external quantum efficiency of 35.2%, demonstrating how AI and quantum chemistry can significantly narrow the search space for advanced materials. HD Korea Shipbuilding and Offshore Engineering signed an agreement with Siemens Digital Industries Software to build a next-generation marine platform connecting design, production, supply chain management, quality control, and maintenance within a shared 3D data environment. The companies also described longer-term ambitions for a virtual shipyard and future autonomous manufacturing, although deployment milestones and contract value were not disclosed. Finally, NICE expanded its strategic partnership with RingCentral. Under the new multi-year agreement, NICE will resell RingCentral's RingEX unified communications platform while extending the existing arrangement around RingCentral Contact Center powered by NICE CX Zone. The partnership gives enterprise customers another path to combine communications, contact center operations, and AI-powered customer experience capabilities. And that's your AI briefing for today. The landscape is moving faster than ever, and we'll be here to track it with you. For more insights, visit us at letsdatascience.com. Thanks for tuning in, stay curious, and we'll be back tomorrow with the latest in AI.